My name is Jody Gentiman. Besides being incredibly excited about my first yoga retreat, I know I needed some restoration. We layer in one type of yoga and then a hike or other activity, and then food, great food, healthy food, amazing food, and an incredible balance of activities. Autumn is authentic. She is knowledgeable about the variety of different types of yoga, and she's patient. She asks what we need. She is organized, she's approachable, she's kind, and yet she's very humble. It's obviously intentional to build us up and remind us as women of our power and our being and ourself and who we are, and being okay with who we are and celebrating what we bring. Coming out of it, there's been an incredible transformation within. I'll go home with a new strength of who I am. You don't have to be good at yoga to come. You don't have to have the right attire to come. You don't have to know all about yoga. The value is invaluable. So I would encourage anybody who's wanting to do this to do it. Just come, because it's a supportive group of women who are here to build each other up. And I just say, just invest in yourself, because you're worth it.